Hello friends, this is Radhika Allu. Today we are making the curry for masala dosa. Well, who doesn't love a lovely potato curry to accompany their dosa? We will need potatoes boiled and then peeled, 2 green chilies slit lengthwise, few curry leaves, 2 onions finely chopped lengthwise, oil 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and salt according to taste. Heat oil in a pan, add turmeric powder and mix. Add curry leaves, green chilies and onions, salt and give it a good mix. After 5 minutes of cooking, give it a mix. Add boiled potatoes and mash them. Mix this well and let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Once done, give it a mix and dish it out. It is ready to be served with a dosa. It goes along great not only with dosa but also with chapathi, poori and the like. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Love you friends.